Hello friends, I am here with this beautiful bookmark that you can make within 5 minutes. So see, I have written I love reading. For that we need this poster colors, glue, brush, water, and yes, crayons, white crayon. So let's start with the white crayons. Just write whatever you want. Here I am writing. Just see when I'll apply a watercolor on it. Now take the watercolor and just apply. Color. See, I am taking this green color, just dab the brush in the water and you can see the magic. See, this will you can do only when the color is wet. Otherwise it won't spread. Now let it dry. This is dry and this is the cardstock. I have cut it into rectangular form. We'll just cut this also. Let this completely dry. Otherwise you will spoil your creation. So this way. See if it is fitting onto this. Yes, we'll just glue it on this. See, I have glued this on this cardstock. I'll zoom out and with the help of punching machine just punch in the center this way, and we'll take thread or satin ribbon to tie your knot. I'm using satin ribbon. See, I love reading. You can write anything what you want, and this is beautiful and handmade bookmark. So I hope you enjoy my video. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.